Hey everyone, CNC Keith here. I've got a little teaser video for you. Check this out. That's the brand new Centroid KP-1. This brand new probe we make here in Pennsylvania, made in USA with Centroid's kinematic seat technology. Let's run a little boring cycle and figure out the diameter and center location of this through hole. I'll give you a quick demo. I'm going to hit setup, part, probe, bore. And I've got a little indicator graphic here letting me know that the CNC 12 knows the probe's plugged in and clear, but I always like to just trigger with my hand, boom, boom, and we'll see that graphic. Yes, that graphic lets me know that CNC 12 is ready to go. We've got a little printed circuit board in there with LEDs that gives you 360-degree indication that the probe has triggered. All I got to do is hit cycle start since I'm in the boring cycle. Things begin to move, and we're moving at 30 inches a minute, which is my fast probe rate. Hits, backs off, takes another stab at it at a slower rate to pick up a really accurate point. To probe a bore, it just needs 4 points, and it does a little bit of math, and it figures out the diameter and the center of the bore for you, and will display that information on the screen. The KP-1 is made out of a polycarbonate body and has Centroid's proven kinematic seat technology inside. Ooh, look. Available soon on our website. The KP-1 will be priced less than the KP-3 with almost the exact same performance. It's made out of polycarbonate, and here it is telling me the diameter and the XY center location. Now I can reset my DRO to read 0 here and start picking up other points on this part. That, my friends, is the brand new Centroid KP-1, soon to be on the website for sale. It's just a little bit larger diameter, but a little shorter than the KP-3 with almost the same performance. Same M3 thread, removable stylus, and it uses a USB-C plug standard cable on the back side. Look for it soon. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.